Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change page orientation in Google Sheets. So in just a few steps, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do is go to or open a document that you wanted to change its orientation. So after the page or the document is open, so I have an example here, go to the file, the top left corner, go to file or just do control P in Windows or command P in MacBook. So click that one, and you can see on the right here in the right side, so you can see here a lot of options. So go to page orientation. So you just have to select if want to a page orientation to be a landscape or portrait. So um okay, let's say landscape. So after that, just click the next button, and here you can see the preview of your page. So for landscape, so after that, if you want to change it to portrait, just do this one and click next, and here, so you can see the preview of your portrait page. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from this quick tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in Google Sheets. Thank you. Bye bye.